Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Oraimo Watch 6 smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to connect it with our Android smartphone. This smartwatch is compatible with Android and iOS, but on this video, we'll have the Android tutorial for pairing the Oraimo Watch 6 with its support app. The support app for the Oraimo smartwatch is the Oraimo Health. So we'll download the app, we'll have a demo, and we will connect it with our Oraimo Watch 6. So if you are interested to know on how to connect the Oraimo Watch 6 with your Android smartphone, watch this video. And of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and pair or set up our Oraimo Watch 6 with the support app. So we have here, as you can see, scan to download the Oraimo Health app. Scan the QR code to pair. So we are already familiar with the applications. Instead of scanning it, we will just search it directly on the Google Play Store. So let's open the Play Store. And let's just search Oraimo Health. So we have here the Oraimo Health with 1 million plus downloads. Just tap on install. Okay, we have at least 68.40 MB when it comes to the capacity or size of the Oraimo Health. So let's wait for it to complete its download, and it will automatically install it in our Android smartphone. What we have here is the Oppo smartphone. So let's wait for the completion of download, 100%, and it's now installing. And as you can see here, okay, the Oraimo Health app is now installed. So let's open the application. Open the app, Oraimo Health. Agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Then we have here an option. You can register, log in with your previous account, or you can choose the visitor mode. Okay, confirm. Okay, we have here the profile. We'll leave it as it is. Save. Then pair with Bluetooth or bind with a QR code. So let's try this one, the classic. Okay, so let's search for our smartwatch. What we have is the Oraimo Watch 6. So tap on the Oraimo Watch 6. Just allow the permissions here. Relative position. Again, let's wait for it. Tap while using the app. Tap again. Then GPS location is required. So it is looking for the GPS. Go to setup. Let's allow the permission here. Then go back. Select Watch 6. And it's now searching for our smartwatch. And we have it here. The Oraimo Watch 6. To pair the wearable, just tap on the Oraimo Watch 6. It is now connecting. So let's wait. Then bind. Okay, agree on the smartwatch. It's now connecting. Binding successfully. Is it connected? Allow the permission here for notifications. Then Bluetooth pairing request. Pair. Okay, authorize for the contact sharing. Permission for the Oraimo Health. Okay. Go to setup. Let's double check. We'll allow the notification permission or notification access. Allow. Then go back. Phone call logs for the Bluetooth call. We'll allow it. Contacts. phone calls, and SMS messages. And let's check. And we are now connected or paired with our smartwatch. As you can see here, connected, select, and we are now properly connected or set up. Okay, so again, the support app is the Oraimo Health, and our Oraimo Watch 6 here is now set up with our or connected with our smartphone, Android smartphone. So here are the features. We have notifications, Bluetooth call, quick reply settings, alarm, weather settings. Let's search for our device. Let's see. Search. And as you can see, we are connected. Nice. We have remote camera and sit. Okay, so everything is set. Sync with phone notification, yes. So that's it. We have here the dial center. We'll explore this on our second video. Okay, so that's it for the setup. Very easy to pair our Oraimo Watch 6 with the Oraimo Health app on Android smartphone. So if you have some questions regarding the setup, drop a comment below. And if you are having a hard time pairing your smartwatch, you can ask some questions. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.